Have you been searching for the perfect sedan with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2019 Honda Accord EX in modern steel metallic. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot monitoring, shark fin antenna, LED tail lamps, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, only 28,000 miles on the odometer. 7-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, power sunroof, 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D6211A.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.